Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Confetti collection box. This is one of my favorite subscription boxes to receive in the mail. It is $19.99 every other month. You receive it 6 times a year, and I just love getting this. There's always fun stationery. There's always things that match in there. It's just a really nice box to receive or like to give to yourself once in a while. Like I always say, like sometimes just buying something for yourself once in a while, it's kind of nice. And for 20 bucks a month, like that's not bad. And then I think the annual cost is even less if you sign up for the whole entire year. Guys, let's dive in. This is what the box is. Every time I see this on my porch, I get so stinking excited. I actually just received it today, and I was like, you know what, I might as well just do the video now because I hate waiting to see what's in here, or I peek and then when I do the videos I'm like, yeah, I already knew I was getting that, but woohoo! Like, I don't know. The first impressions I seem like are always more fun. This box is a little more like lightweight than normal, so I'm really excited to see what is in here. It's wrapped up like this, and then you're gonna receive some fun goodies in here. Wow. Okay, so this is a surprise, and inside you'll find some goodies to brighten your day. I love their Instagram. They have an Instagram at Confetti Collection, and right? Oh, at Confetti Collection Box. And I love seeing their posts. They always have like some fun cheery posts that just like brightens up your day. We're gonna open this and see what's inside of this box. And then sometimes they always have things that you can give as gifts. So I always hold things back that I may or may not want. Like this right here, how cute. This is a card and it has a little ice cream pin on it. And that's so cool. Like obviously I'm not gonna like keep this for myself, but it's just kind of nice to have things like this around when you want to send it to somebody. So super cute right here. And then here is another one. This is enamel. These are pins. It says sunny skies ahead. That's cute as well. And then a koozie, which that's pretty cool. I actually don't have a koozie. It says it's an adjustable one, so we're gonna just see what this is all about. Might as well just open everything. Okay, this is not like a regular like koozie. I guess you just put it around. It's just like this, which I've never seen a koozie like that, but this is really cute. Super cute. I like that. That's neat. See what else is in here. What is this? A phone charging stand. Okay, it's hard. It says, be strong. I whispered to my Wi-Fi signal. That's cool. I've never had like a, this is super neat. I'm gonna test it out. Oh, you have to cut it. Good thing I have scissors right here because I'm in my crafting room. So who doesn't have scissors inside their crafting room? It goes like that. Okay, hopefully mine works. Oh snap, how cute. Look at this. I think that is so neat. I like that. I have a pop socket on the back of mine. I don't know if you guys use pop sockets, but I feel like nothing ever fits. But mine fits on that. That's pretty cool. I like that. The next thing in here is just some ribbon. This is really pretty. Since I obviously craft on this channel, that is definitely gonna come in handy for some spring decor, or if you want to like wrap gifts with it, that's totally, but this is really cool because I am definitely going to be using these for crafting. This one's double face. And it's like a hot pink. This is like my color. I love this color. I love this peach. Really pretty. What else is in here? There's just a few more things. So this one has a keychain. It says, yes, in fact, I am a mermaid. That is really cute. I am not a mermaid, but I don't hate this keychain. Look how pretty this is. I love the little bar it has right here. And that's what it says. Yes, in fact, I'm a mermaid right there. And then the little mermaid tail. That's really pretty. And this says it's enamel. And then what else is in here? There's 2 more things that are in here. This says stop hashtag abuse, which is kind of silly, which will never stop hashtag abuse. Okay, so this is, I don't know what this is. It's like a little pot, like maybe a little change purse. So funny. Do you guys have change purses? Because I have change purses and I love them. So I like having a change purse. And then touchstones, little touches of inspiration. This one says laugh, which is kind of nice because that's like my favorite thing to do is laugh, make people laugh, you know. Yeah, you guys, that's it for this one. Normally I get notebooks and stuff in here, so I'm like super surprised by what was in here this month. Always get notebooks, but I guess it's kind of nice that they didn't because you can't use a whole notebook every other month. So this is pretty cool. Loved this. This is probably like my favorite one right here is this little stand. This koozie's pretty cool as well. I won't lie. I do like that. And then these cards are super cute. I'm actually going to be sending one of these out. That's adorable. I love these. But yeah, you guys, I will leave a link in the description box below so if you guys want to sign up for Confetti collections. Super fun stuff. I like how, like I said, everything like matches in here, which is like super cool. But yep, that's it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys already subscribed to Confetti collection. I would love to know like what your favorite box was, or what your favorite thing to receive, or what you guys look forward to, stuff like that. But till then, I'll see you next video. Bye!